I'm Andre Diaz, I'm 22 years old, I'm a day trader, and I'm just out here living my life. It's gonna be an adventurous vlog. Let's enjoy the life that we paid for, man. Caught Keno on camera, we fried Keno bad. This is probably the fastest payout I've ever gotten. It hit in less than 12 hours. I'm waiting for Cal to get here. He's over here live with his glasses.
Yeah, show him.
Bro, how you feel about the Corvette?
So far, I don't know. We gotta take it for a spin to see.
Here we go. The past, because the past is over. All that you have is now. What are you gonna do now? Morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Andre Diaz. I'm 22 years old. I'm a day trader, and I'm just out here living my life. Yesterday, we took a payout of $1,200, and I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the fastest payout I've ever gotten. It hit in less than 12 hours. I'm not gonna show you my exact bank account and everything, but I did take this already. Like, if you can see the screenshot, I took the screenshot showing you where it came from, the $1,200. And it actually came last night. Like, I did the withdrawal yesterday, the 29th, at like 7 o'clock at night. It says I got the money in my bank account on the 29th. Today's the 30th. Today's Thursday. It's the 30th. But it says I got the money last night. So that's crazy. Hit in less than 12 hours, but really in a couple hours. Crazy, but $1,200 for the day. But you guys know my rule. If I win 2 days in a row, or if I lose 2 days in a row, I can't trade the next day. Simple as that. Today's the day off. I'm still going to be active with the team. We're still going to be live. We're still going to be looking for trades. I'm still going to be giving ideas. I'm just not going to take any trades. But we still got tomorrow. We're going to enjoy the day. Going to Orlando today, too. So it's going to be an adventurous vlog. Let's enjoy the life that we paid for, man. Yeah, the longs are going crazy. I overall want to see shorts. I want to see if it's going to hold this 4 hour and 50%. But I'm not taking nothing. This is it's in the middle. It can go either way. How you liking the camera glasses? You like them? That's what I like to see. My boy in darkness 24/7. You know, I'm trying to see what it's going to do. This is real slow. Like you said, we just closed up for 10 o'clock. That 4 hour gap, I was telling y'all. That shit off the open at 10 o'clock. 3 minutes in, that shit went stupid. All right, so we just got done on the call. I wouldn't say short call. It's been like an hour and a half on the call, but in my opinion, it was kind of short for me. I didn't take trades. It was just a lot of laughs. Like, I caught Keno on camera. We fried Keno bad. We caught him lacking. He didn't know his camera was off. If you know, you know. If you're in VIP, you know. But with that being said, I'm about to get the rest of my day started. My girlfriend is out getting something done. Either her lashes or no, not nails, lashes or something. But I'm waiting for her to come back, because then from there, we're going to go to Orlando. We're going to get the day started. But I honestly want to try to go to the gym before then, so I'm going to see where she is so I can go to the gym. And then once I get the gym knocked out, it's going to be one of my daily tasks I got to get done. Yeah, let's keep going. Alright, my microphone is dead apparently still. Ain't that some shit? I'm gonna go put this over there to charge. Alright, now that that's over there charging, I'm back from the gym. So, what is on the to-do list? So, when it comes to what I got done today, the routine, as you guys know, is the reason I am where I am. Without the daily routine, I'm not getting shit done. I didn't write down my to-do list. I'm about to right now. But the things that I've got done today so far, I went live with VIP. I got a post on Instagram posted. I have to post some reels on Instagram. That's something I need to do next. But I went to the gym already. And now I cleaned up the crib. So now what has to get done left? What's left? Content, reels, continue this vlog. Write down the to-do list. Walk dogs. Then go to Orlando, then enjoy the day. Today's not gonna be too much of a busy work day. Today's gonna be one of them work days that I'm just honestly moving around and enjoying the life, you know what I'm saying? Not every day is gonna be a completely just jam-packed day, you know what I mean? But we gonna make it happen nonetheless. I think I got some calls later on also. So that would be something to keep in mind for the day. I think I got calls I have a call today at 12. So yeah, my boy Marco's. Honestly, I might have a call, might not have a call. Marco, he set up a call for every single day that was available. So he had like 100 calls scheduled. When he really didn't need to, he was just trying to lock it all in, but we're not gonna have a call every single day. I got other people on the team that need time, Marco. But you understand that. But if you don't know who Marco is the one that's always on the camera, that's always throwing up something like that. So if you know, you know. But without all the yapping, like I said, I'm about to get this to-do list done and then start getting the rest of my day started.
You're prepared to teach you how money really works. That's the first thing. The second thing, and your biggest problem to fix, is your
car. How you gonna lock me inside the car? But right now we about to head to get some food. I don't know where we about to get some food, but then we're gonna head to Orlando. We're gonna meet up with Kel a little bit later. But yeah, it's time to get this show on the road. I also gotta get this reel that I'm trying to post. So I'm gonna get this reel posted and stuff.
15p for me. Live on camera. I got multiple cameras on you. And
Yeah, you heard me. But yeah, see you wherever I see you. I don't know what food we got. We'll figure it out though.
It ain't no pressure, I can handle it. Why the hell they playing it? She think she the one, I told her.
We got Kel over here live with his glasses. Look at this.
Now you gotta show him.
Look, it's me. All right, team. Right now we're outside of Kel's new spot, and by me and Kel's new spot, Kel and his wife ended up getting like I think 5 rental properties. Like they got 5 units at this overall like a condo place. But we're just chilling over here at his spot, waiting for him to show up and everything. I'll show like little stuff of it. I'll probably show you the inside whenever I link with him. But he's coming over here. We were just out eating food at this steakhouse at Disney Springs. But yeah, honestly, right now we're just chilling and we ain't doing too much. We about to chill, smoke, and everything. Honestly, not sure how much content I have in this vlog, if I'm gonna keep it 1,000. But today was one of those days where I didn't do too much work. I didn't go on Instagram Live either, which is unfortunate, but I've been on live Instagram every day for the most part of a week, so I don't think missing a day is going to be too bad, but I might try to go on it later on tonight. Maybe I can get some content for you guys to add to the video, you know what I'm saying? The biggest thing that I struggle with on a daily basis is making the videos entertaining yet valuable. Sometimes my videos where I don't think they were entertaining end up being the most entertaining videos, and the videos that I thought were going to be valuable end up not being as valuable. Content's very weird. Anybody that makes content, you would understand. But yeah, right now I'm just yapping. Honestly, just chilling. Just another day in the life. How you feel? But right now we're about to go see Cal's apartment and everything. Like it looks good. We're waiting for the elevator right now. This move look like we in the sauna. The elevator look like a sauna. But we going to the floor, then we're gonna go to the room and everything. So far, so good. I mean, shit. 5 units of these, Airbnbs and everything. It's a good location. It's near the places that we usually go out here, so it's near a lot of stuff. Got the pool and everything. It's nice.
Know if we'll have to get carpets.
no, she's measuring carpet. She's actually measuring carpet. Before I left today, she was measuring the carpet.
These 2 chairs,
She'll be getting
the
carpet.
TV, the speaker that comes with the room too. But the board, he said he doesn't know yet what color the company's gonna.
We got Kel inside the Corvette. How you feel about the Corvette?
So far, I don't know. We gotta take it for a spin to see.
Nah, real shit. Real shit. It's a good little car though. Like it's a good driver. Like it's smooth in my opinion. It's a driver's car. It could be better, but it could be worse. Yeah, it's digital. It's a digital. On the top. All right, we at the crib and everything, as you guys know. We got back from Orlando. Didn't do nothing crazy, but in my opinion, the vlog wasn't as informative and long as it could have been. So I'm gonna continue this vlog into the next day and see if we can catch a trade, see if we can make some money. If not, well then regardless, I'm gonna have some education to be able to tell you guys. So it's gonna be a good day. Just gotta get this headset charging and get my headset on. Don't look at my hair. So you didn't see that. But yeah, now let's have a great day. Get this started. Let's see if we can make some money with the team. He was trying to hook you up, bro. Let's try some crack. Just got my battery in here to charge. Let's see what 74 of us could do. I like longs overall, but we gonna see. Just looking at us right now. Don't have any clear ideas on what I want to see price do. I know I'm bullish. I don't know where to buy from though. That's my concern. Our imbalance to go back down, but in my opinion, I'm still more bullish. But like I said, I don't really have anywhere to. If I were to pull a fit from from Asia low and get the 50% of that, the 50% would then make it align with that 1 hour gap. Besides that, like most of the normal markups I do, I don't really got nothing, to be honest. It would really be me buying at the 1 hour gap just because we're bullish, and that's also with the daily open gap. Like that would be the really only confirmation I have. It wouldn't be the highest probability trade if I were to take it. Because if I want to see it hold this area, if it doesn't hold and be able to get bullish, if it closes bearish, I'll watch for it to retrace to that 1 hour imbalance that it left behind from 8 a.m. And then that could be somewhere that I would retrace into for a short pre 10 o'clock if it doesn't hold this gap. But honestly, right now, it doesn't look like it wants to hold the gap. He knows in the shorts. Hey, TP's dub's a dub. I ain't in nothing yet, so. I mean, no trades. Nah, I ain't getting no trades. I was looking for longs in the first place, so that would have been. Yeah, nothing so far. It don't look like I'm gonna get what I was looking for though. Better safe than sorry. US 30 run is damn low already. Ain't going slow. Here we got bells in the tree. Patient. Is being patient. Yeah, look at this. This shit going all the way up. So I was saying, like, I was looking for shorts on 30. It's retracing, going for this 1 hour imbalance that I had. That's what I was saying. If ES had got a retracement, it's just still going up for you. Unless this end up flipping around. But I'm trying to go off of based off the closure. All right, I was looking for trades. We ended up not getting no trades. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Some days there's gonna be a trade. Some days you get nothing. But right now my girlfriend's trying to figure out to get her nails done. That one's downtown. All right, it's final day with the Corvette. Let me actually try to get the cold start to actually work this time. Last time this shit didn't want to work. Let's see if we can get it right this time. Here we go. Woo. That's the cold start I've been waiting for. I ain't gonna lie, right now, my girlfriend's getting her nails done at a place right around the corner. I'm about to go get food for the dogs because they got no type of food to eat right now, and I'm not trying to have the dogs starve, you feel me? I gotta feed the dogs. But this is the last day with the car, so I'm trying to enjoy it, so I'm about to take this top off as I go do my things. So yeah, let's have a great day. I'm gonna show you me taking this off. It's pretty easy taking this off. You just undo these two latches in the front, undo this latch right here. You just gotta, just like that, and then you can just take it off, put it in the back. Has a whole compartment, like you guys could probably see me right now. I don't know if you can, don't know if you can't. But then you just grab it, and it lifts. See, this is why you gotta work out, guys. You can't take your convertible off. Put it all in the back, let it close. And now we finna get on the road. It's about maybe a 10-15 minute drive if there's no traffic, maybe even sooner with the way I be driving. But yeah, let's get some tunes on. Let's enjoy it. Back home, and I was just telling my Instagram, while I was at PetSmart, if you follow me on Instagram, you know it's bird as shit. But if you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But this is the food that I feed my dogs because I got Frenchie's, Luna specifically, the one right here. She's half Boston, half Frenchie, and then Nova, the one over there, she's full Frenchie, and they are known to have like a lot of digestive problems and just health problems in general. So I gotta buy them specific food, and that food costs $60. And I was just saying, you need to make money, not even just for your own health, but for the sake of your dogs. Like, they have to eat this food because if they don't, they diarrhea everywhere. They're hungry, choking, but the diarrhea everywhere is bad. Their insides will get cooked from other foods. It sucks. But as long as you make money, as long as you focus on our priorities to take care of these things, it makes everything 1,000 times easier. But I'm about to go live on Instagram. Didn't go live yesterday, so I'm about to give value right now. No days off. And if there is a day that you end up slacking off, or if there is a day where you end up not able to do something that you try to do, get right back to it. Don't focus on the past, because the past is over. All that you have is now. What are you gonna do now? You may have overtraded, you may have over-leveraged it, you may have over-leveraged, but what are you gonna do now? You have the option to not do it again. You've gone through everything as an experience to learn from it so that you know what to do or not to do next time. That's how you gotta look at everything. But let's go live on Instagram. I'll give you clips. Having a job makes trading better mental-wise 1,000%. Having any other income besides trading along with trading is 100% gonna help. Forex, I trade futures. Do you use 1 minute and 5 minute alignment 15 to 1 hour? I don't use anything below the 1 hour. How much did you make in your first year trading funded accounts? My first 2.5, 3 years, I lost money every single year. When you move into Miami, I'm not sure. I still have this apartment until 2026, so I still got some time here. I'm just trying to make some shit happen until then. I'm trying to hit 100K a month, $1 million in the bank. What's a good broker to use? I use Hanko Trade. Why do you not trade Forex? I just don't need to. Like, I can ask you, why don't you trade Bitcoin? You don't need to. Can you be financially stable only trading prop firms? Yeah, it just depends how much you're averaging and how much you're making. Why is that though? Which question did you ask? Oh, why do I only 1 hour? Because the higher time frame, the higher the probability, the more likely you'll get a reaction. The lower the time frames, you're likely gonna have more possible trade ideas. You think having 1 to 2K live account is better than buying funded? It depends if you have the experience or not, because you can put that money into an account, but if you're just gonna lose it, then you were better off going to prop firm. What's a good buffer before I start taking a payout on a 50K account? I say at least double your drawdown, at least, bare minimum. Is your apartment a mini penthouse? Low? What would you classify as a mini penthouse? In my opinion, this really isn't a penthouse. The penthouse is just the top floor, but I guess I just call it a penthouse because I'm gonna call it whatever. I mean, marketing-wise, close enough, but it technically isn't a penthouse. Penthouses are technically just top floors, but this is high enough for me to market as one. Do you believe that there is 99% win rate strategy? No. I believe there's 99% win rate strategies in short term. Like, you can win 100% of your trades this week. You can win 100% of your trades today, but forever? No. You can win you can have a good percentage this month, but it's not always going to be consistently that high. Cal easy. That curve big as fuck. It's big. I want a little bit more, but you know, we gotta be appreciative. We all start somewhere. Got done food. I'm waiting for Cal to get here. He's approximately like 15 minutes away. He should be here shortly. Cleaned up the crib and everything. But yeah, went to the place that I usually go to, the Japanese steakhouse. We didn't get food there because I think we're gonna go out to this place later on with Cal and his wife, so we didn't want to get too full on food, but we went for like happy hour. She got a drink, we got some dumplings, she got some sushi. It was just a cool little meal, just additional to Fresh Kitchen that we had earlier. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for that, but we chilling. I got a lot of the work done, went live on Instagram as you guys saw, so you'll have clips and stuff from that. I gotta go to the gym. Don't know what time I'm gonna be able to do that. Might have to go later on, but as of right now, yeah, just waiting for Cal. He's about to be here in like 5 minutes, so y'all will see him soon. Yo! Man, let's stop recording now. We about to get a nice little cold start, probably like the third one in the video. And put that joint in track. Hear that? But yeah, we about to go to the dispensary. Then we got to go get a reservation because we gonna get some food tonight. So yeah, it's about to be a nice night. The video's coming to an end shortly. So yeah, honestly, I'm ending the video here, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to learn how to trade doing exactly everything I do on a daily basis, the same thing I record, but more in depth and getting one-on-ones and actually within the team, click the link in the description, join the waitlist, and I promise you, you'll get a message soon. With that being said, stay safe, stay productive, have a great night. I'm about to have a great night. I'm about to have a safe night. But yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.